In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix try again we ran into a system error on Meta AI app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing, if you encounter this error, as you can see down below here, you are told install updates. The first thing we want to do is to check for any update for this app and update it to the latest version to fix this. Now, to achieve this, just go to Google Play Store if you are on Android like me, or App Store if you are on iPhone. Search for your app and update it to the latest version. Once you have updated, now open your Meta AI app and everything now should be okay. However, even after updating, you still encounter this. Then you want to troubleshoot your Meta AI app by going to settings and then look for apps. It is, and go to manage apps or all apps, and then search for Meta AI and tap on it to open. Once you're here, go to force stop app and okay, and go to clear data and clear all data. Here you will need to restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Meta AI app, tap on it to open and everything should be okay. However, should you still experience this error at this moment, then you want to check and see that you're not connected to any VPN or you don't have any proxy or security app that you recently installed. This might be the reason you are experiencing this. You may want to try and uninstall them and see if this fixes your issue. But sometimes you might try this and still fail. If this still fails, then most likely Meta AI has experienced internal server error, that is a system error on their end. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Try opening your app and logging in, and now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.